So Dr. Saeed is here, who is the authority in Pakistan for the primary trauma care. And basically he developed these unbelievable little booklets. And let us show what's in there.
So this manual just show me the one Douglas Wilkinson who started this primary trauma care.
Yes.
And from the underdeveloping countries, Fiji and Africa.
Yeah. So what's inside the book? Let's see.
Okay, inside the book, I have shown what are the stages of pre-hospital trauma care.
Yes.
If you are at the roadside accident, how you can stabilize the patient.
So let's look let's look into the book. What's in there? It's very picturesque.
So it's like trauma prevention. What are the stages? 5E, just like education, enforcement, engineering, environment, and economics.
And then we got
they play important role in trauma prevention. Then I have written about the first aid. What are the principles of first aid? Then if something goes wrong, you are on the scene, how to manage the scene. If there's some bomb blast, according to work circumstances, how to manage the bomb blast. Then triage, an important thing, that means sorting to whom you should send first to the hospital, who to second. You should know who is urgent, who is emergent. Then how to control the airway with just your hands, taking the universal precautions, putting some envelope or shopper at your hand, so that you should not get the secretions of the patient. Then how to control the neck, you should not make him paralyzed or tetraplegic.
That's right.
How to improvise making a cervical collar. Okay.
And
then how to restore the breathing of the patient, how to stop the bleeding and care for the wound. Then going for the shock and unconscious patient. Then
CPR.
How to do a CPR, how to take the first aid management of fractures. Then going for the burn, what is the types of burn and how can you support the patient.
Spinal injury.
If somebody has a spinal injury, how to immobilize, how to transport. You should not damage further. Then how to communicate effectively, informing about some injury or trauma to an ambulance person or to the hospital. Then what are the principles of transfer and transportation of injured patient. Then I have made the summary of this all.
And then we got everything in Urdu.
Then everything in Urdu, same, every picture we go, it's very colorful and very simple language. So showing the
and we are looking forward to having these in video form soon. So great. What was the second book you wrote?
Second book is for trauma, accident and emergency manual. According to our circumstances, the young doctors most of the time they are not familiar with all the types of emergencies. So I have written just like emergency of ENT, if you just ear, nose and throat emergencies. So I have written what are the ear, nose, throat emergencies, what to do and what not to do. What are the eye emergencies?
So everything is like how many different kinds? 44 different kinds.
Just like I have written poisoning. What are the different common poisoning you get?
That's very good. Where can we get this book?
Basically, it's now available. I have not distributed to the book stalls. It was available to the Department of Orthopedic Surgery, JPMC Karachi.
Can we get it through your website if somebody wants it?
Yes,
so it's www.
Still, it's not on the website. I'll put it on the website.
But it's primarytraumacare.org. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you. My pleasure.